Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 16th, 2022. We're going to talk about AMC and could we possibly see a short squeeze go on into the market for this particular stock. Now, before I get started, welcome everyone to the channel. I'm not here to pump AMC. I'm not an AMC ape. I simply look at the price to see where price is going to go. So if you guys want to join me, hit that like button. Stay tuned. Also subscribe to the channel. It's not going to be a long video. You guys can already tell what my idea is for AMC, and it is for the price to go up. Now, we've seen that occur. The market in AMC has gone higher. It did hit our first price target of $10.50. If you haven't seen my last video about me predicting that, go ahead and listen to it or watch it. It was on September the 10th. Okay, go back and listen to that 6 days ago. And we were expecting the price in AMC to trend higher. Now, my ultimate TP price was around 11. But on the 12th of September, you guys can see that the market topped out at $10.75. So 25 cents short from hitting that ultimate TP price. Now, the question is, are we still viable to see AMC go up? If that's the case, then I'm going to continue to go forward with my idea of looking for AMC to go up. If not, then we need to get rid of this price prediction that you see in front of you and play the downside movement for AMC. Now, let's go ahead and look at this on the weekly chart first. Since today is the last trading day of the week, you guys can see that it's mixed. It's been a great idea between the buyers and the sellers of what occurred this week in trading. No one has really won out. If you're a buyer, you really have not inched out a victory against the sellers. If you're a seller, vice versa, you haven't done pretty good neither in beating out your opponent, the buyers. So we need to see this on a different time. Let's see what else we have on the 5-day chart then. Okay. So here is AMC on the 5-day. How do you see this price chart? Who do you think is winning? Is it the buyers or is it the sellers? What about on the 3-day chart? The buyers or the sellers? Do you see anything? Do you see any one of these factions, these two sides winning? 2-day chart. To me, it's so hard to tell. And when you see disparities between buyers and sellers on multiple time frames, and you don't have a competitive edge, you pretty much want to stay away from the market because no one is actually dominating the other side. It's kind of like basketball. When you go into the first half and you see one team up 30%, and you see the other team have injured players, their star player just got injured, you can tell who has the advantage. It's the same way in stocks. You want to know which side is getting the advantage, and the price chart is the playbook. It's the record or the performance of each team. And right now, if we're in the midst of halftime, it's kind of like tied between the buyers and the sellers. Okay, so let me look at this on a smaller time frame then. We might have an idea on a smaller time frame as to who's actually winning. So what do you think about this? This is AMC on an hourly chart. Who do you think is winning? Buyers or sellers? 3 hours. Who do you think is winning? Considering us noticing that buyers have been lifting price in AMC, even in the midst of a lot of selling going on, we got to give the edge slightly, just a little bit, not that much, to the buyers. Okay, the ones who's trying to lift AMC's price, but not by much. So really, really grab that. I don't want you all to think that AMC is on a massive tear higher, but they have an edge against the sellers in the market. Okay, so you guys can see it even here that we did go through some weakness into the market in AMC yesterday in trading, but it wasn't that dramatic. Okay, so the question, should we continue to go forward into the market in AMC? You guys can see this, like it's massively important for us to learn how to view the market as a language. It's not by coincidence that when the market in AMC traded, when it opened yesterday, take a look at where the breakage was between how the market was trading. Okay, look at this. This is where the market in AMC, the buyers came in. Now, why would I say the buyers came in here? A big buyer came into the market in AMC right there because of the volume that came through. Dead giveaway. And throughout the trading day yesterday, the market held price above $9.90. This supported, all of this volume supported AMC's price yesterday until the ending of the trading day, to where the price came right back down and it broke further, and then we ended right back to where we started with all of this volume. This is not by coincidence. If you learn how to walk in the market and see what's going on, you know when you need to leave and when you need to get out. Okay. So, what should we do? Do you think a short squeeze is still viable? Can we see it? Can we still see AMC's price trend higher? It's a guess right now if you ask me. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't see either one of these sides having a massive edge against the other. Okay. So let me go ahead and take this out. 1.54% on the close of yesterday. Now the reason why I say it's hard is because of these days right here for AMC. So depending on how today's trading day occurs into the market in AMC, we can see the market continue to trend higher. But it's not a surefire idea. Okay, so I'm gonna step away. I want to teach you all how you need to be moving in these stocks, because every day doesn't mean that you need to come in and trade or buy or sell. Sometimes you just need to stand by and see what everyone else is doing. And then that's when you come in and deploy your money to the play, because you can begin to see who's actually winning. So I'm going to leave this alone for the time being. To answer the question of the title of this video, is another short squeeze still here for AMC? From a percentage basis, I would say 50%, 55% chance. Not much. It's not that high. All right, so that's it. Give me your thoughts though. I'm not going to drop one here on the chart today, but as time goes on and I see what occurs, I will. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.